Hi, good morning. This is Amit Deya. We are doing the arithmetic progression exercise 5.1. Before proceeding, I would like to share what we did in the last two slides. The first in last two slides we did arithmetic standard form of the arithmetic progression AP, nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we will do exercise 5.1, and before exercise 5.1 we will go for that. Okay, to find nth term what you need. First question is that in the exercise 5.1, that to find nth term what you need, there are three. First one is a first term, then the common difference, and the number of terms n. In the questions, out of these three, only two is given and third one we have to find out. Let us take some examples to find out this and connect this and AP. Are the questions are in AP or not? The first question, the cost of digging a well for the first meter is 150 meter and the rise is by rupees 20 for each succeeding meter. What does that mean? अगर हम 1 मीटर तक कुआं खोदते हैं तो उसके 150 रुपये होते हैं। अगर हम उसके बाद 1 मीटर फर्दर खोदते हैं तो जो पीछे लिया उससे 20 रुपये ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएंगे। इट मीन्स 150 plus 20, it means 170 rupees for the second successive meter. So the cost of digging a well for the first meter is like 100 rupees, 150 rupees, and the cost of the second meter is 150 plus 20, 170 rupees, and the cost of third meter is 170 plus 20 rupees. It means 190. So we get that, and we can further move 190 plus 20 to 210. So 150, 170 and 190 are the success cost of the successive meters. Now the question is that is this in an AP? क्या ये AP में है 150, 170, 190? If yes, then give me an answer. If no, then give me an answer. Proceed that. Another question, most important question of this exercise 5.1, the amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes each time 1/4 of their remaining in the cylinder. इट मीन्स एक सिलेंडर है, सिलेंडर में कुछ हवा भरी है, जब फर्स्ट पंप आउट किया जाता है जितनी भी सिलेंडर में हवा है we removes out 1/4 of that air, amount of air. So consider amount of air present in the cylinder and volume of the cylinder is V unit. We consider the air present in the cylinder is V unit. In the first pump out, air comes out. What air comes out? 1/4 of the volume of the cylinder. The 1/4 of volume of the cylinder is V, so we write V, and then 1/4 into V, it means V by 4 unit airs comes out in the first pump. What is now? Find out the airs that remains in the cylinder. So how much amount of the air left in the cylinder? Can you give me an idea? Yes, the amount of एयर लेफ्ट इन द सिलेंडर इज़ जो पहले थी उसमें से जो पंप आउट हो चुकी है उसको माइनस करेंगे. इट मीन्स इट इज़ वी एट द फर्स्ट एंड द वी बाई 4 रिड्यूस करेंगे, देन वी माइनस वी बाई 4. सो बाई टेकिंग LCM 1 हियर and it will comes out 4 LCM 4V minus V, that equal to 3V upon 4. Done? Yes. Next, before the second pump's amount of air present in the cylinder is 3V by 4 in the second, before the second pump out. the amount of air removes in the second pump, the 1/4 of the amount present. This is already present, and then 1/4 of this, so we can say that 3v upon is 16. Yes or no? The amount left in the cylinder after second pumps, the present in the air 3v by 4 minus pump out 3v by 16, then subtract it, the LCM is 16, and then 12v minus 3v, that equals to 9v by 16. So in the amount of air left in the cylinder after second pump out is 9v by 16. 9v by 16. This is 9v by 16. For an AP, check. First is v is the amount present in the cylinder, 3v by 4 second left, and 9v by 16 in the third. Check, is this form an AP? Is this form an AP or not? So for checking this, the common difference should be the same. It means second minus first term and the third minus second term should be the equal. So we put the equal, 3 by 4v, taking LCM both sides. So this is 3v minus 4v upon 4 is equal to, taking LCM 16, 9v minus 12v, that equals to upon 16. So minus 3v by 4 not equal to minus 3 by v 16. So this is not in AP. So these are most important questions. After this we are able to do the exercise 5.1 of NCERT. Try to solve it, do it first, and then give me the problem. We will take out your problem and we share it. And the next most important for this is nth term of an AP. So to find nth term of an AP, we first required a first term, t common difference, and n number of terms. Apart from this, the important thing is that nth term of an AP from the end, पीछे से किसी भी AP में गिवन है, लास्ट टर्म से आपसे पूछा जाए व्हाट शुड बी द nth term, व्हाट शुड बी द 10th term, व्हाट शुड बी द 8th term, व्हाट शुड बी द 9th term from the last. So consider, to solve this, consider there be an AP with the first term a and the common difference t if there are m terms in the AP. Number of terms is m, not considering n. We are considering here number of terms are n. So for that nth term from the end, and there is a formula m, total number of terms, n which terms we want to find out, plus 1th term from the beginning. It means we can write a m minus n plus 1, or we can write a plus m minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 into d. So this gives a plus m minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, m is the number of terms, and the n is nth term, and d is the common difference. So assume that last term of AP is the first term. Another way to solve this exercise, solve this type of question, is consider the last term is the first term and the d should be opposite. If d is first in negative, then it will be positive, and if it is positive, then it should be in the negative form. Then the nth term should be last term minus n minus 1 into d. Last term should be nth minus n minus 1 into d. For example, find the fifth term from the end of the AP. Next question is example, you can find the fifth term of from the end of the AP. AP is 11, 8, 5 up to minus 40. So considering last term is equal to minus 40, d is the common difference minus 3. Sixth term from the end is equal to last term minus n minus 1 into d. So minus 40 minus n is sixth, 6 minus 1 into d is minus 3. So minus 40 minus minus 5 into minus 3, that equals to minus 5 minus 40 plus 15, that is equals to minus 25. Take some another example. 9, 12, 15. 9, 12, 15, 18 is an AP, another AP. So find 12th term from the end. So think last term is 66. The common difference is 12 minus 9, 3. The 12th term from the end is formula is last term minus n minus 1 into d. So 66 minus 12 minus 1. N is 12th term minus 1 into d. D is 3. So 66 minus 33. And that gives us 33. Nth term from the end is a plus m minus 1 into d. A plus m minus 1 into d. A is the first term, m is the number of terms, and n is the nth term which we want to find out. So if you want to use this formula, firstly find out m number of terms. Suppose an AP 9, 12, 15, 18, 66. So let 66 is the mth term. So mth term is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d, where a is the 9 and d is the 3. So 66 is equal to 9 plus m minus 1 into 3. So we transpose the 9 transpose 66 is equal to 9 plus m minus 1 into 3. So 9 is transposed here, then 66 minus 9 is equal to m minus 1 into 3, and then 57, 66 minus this and divide by this 3 is transpose it this side, then it multiply divided by 3 is equal to m minus 1. So it is cancel out 19. So 19 plus 1 is equal to m. So m is equal to 20th term. Sorry, not 20th term. M is the number of terms. So there are total 20 terms in this AP. So how you are going to find out the last 12th term? So 12th term from the end, we can say that 12th term from the end is a plus m minus 1 into d. A plus 20 minus 12 into 3, it is a 9 plus 24, that is equal to 23. So we do this question by two ways. One is from the last term, and we use another formula, that a plus n minus 1 into d, m minus 1 into d, and from the last term minus n minus 1 into d. So there are two most important formulas that helps you out how to find out the terms, nth term from the end. Thank you for watching.